1. Take a spoon that is about equal to a tablespoon. An actual measuring spoon is good, but a regular spoon will work as well. Spoon 2 tablespoons each of sugar and cocoa powder into a saucepan. Start out with equal amounts of each and you can adjust. 2. Add just enough milk to create a thick, lumpy paste at the bottom of your saucepan. 3. Turn your stove to low. 4. Place your saucepan on top, stirring constantly. 5. Once your mixture has no more lumps, transfer it to a glass of your choice. 6. Add the rest of your milk, stirring constantly. 7. If you are going to use a microwave, repeat step 1, using a microwave-safe mug instead of a saucepan. Place your mug into a microwave and microwave for 20 seconds on high power. Take your mug out and stir your mixture. Microwave 1 or 2 more times, stirring in between, or until there are no more lumps. Finish off by stirring in the rest of your milk. Finished.